Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to see your Venmo password. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure that you watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official Venmo application. So if you're on your PC, you're going to go to venmo.com. This is the main URL. On your mobile phone, just go ahead and download the Venmo application. So once you have downloaded the application and open it up, now we can get started. So the first thing we want to do is log into our account that we want to see the password for. So you want to go and log in right here in the upper right corner. If you do not already have an account, create one, register for one, and once you have logged in, you'll be greeted by the main page. And the main page is going to look like this. This is going to be your home page of Venmo, from where we can access everything we need. As you can see here, we have all the sections we need to access, such as home, cards, pay, request, and so on. And now we can get started. So what do we want to do to take a look at our password? Basically, there is no direct way to take a look at your password, because once you have set your password, you can only change it. You cannot take a look at what it is. So what you can do is go into the settings option right here. In the settings tab of your account, you'll be able to go and change your password into something new that you will then know. But if you do not remember your password and you want to change it, you can go and click login. So in the login option here, you can enter in your email address, and once you have entered in your email address, you can take a look at the forget password option. The forgot password option is going to enable you to go ahead and reset your password and get a new one that you can use if you forgot your old one, but there is no direct way to take a look at your current password. You can only change it to something different. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.